Hey guys, it's your girl Big Hems. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm with Mohammed.
Hi, good afternoon, guys. So we're making jollof rice today, jollof rice, barbecue chicken, and some coleslaw.
Yeah, so you guys come along with us and let's see how it goes.
Yeah, let's go, guys.
H-A-Y, Shokoloco, bango, bango, bang, bang, do, do. Shokoloco, do, do. Shokoloco.
Hi, welcome back, guys. So we need to pierce the body like this for the, like this. So like we're piercing the chicken, so cause the sauce, so they can enter very much. That's why you don't want to make an half seasoned chicken. So yeah, let's start season. So yeah, let's season, guys. It's our salt.
Okay.
Our seasoned chicken. Our chicken seasoning, my bad. Or chicken seasoning. I like using my Italian seasoning, for that taste. You get me?
Okay.
Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Our sea spice. For that suya, you get me? Our garlic powder. This one comes last.
Okay.
Our paprika for that reddish color. You don't want a
Dull looking.
You get my point.
Yes.
Now dark black pepper. As a Yoruba, we have to represent ourselves over here.
Yes.
Our ground ginger.
Yoruba demons.
You have to ginger the swagger. You ginger the, get me? Yeah, and of course, the goat of them all, our parsley flakes. And our oil, yes. Can you help me pass the oil? Our videographer. Yeah, so oil.
That's generous with the oil.
Yes, of course, because we're grilling it, so you need as well. So let's, of course, have at it. I've been waiting for that part. So this is just a side. We're doing the same for the other side, of course.
Skin is so cold. I'm feeling for it.
Are you?
Yes, no.
What did you know, Jay? So you have to be very, very careful. You have to dip. You cut it earlier, so dip what you're cutting.
Oh, like this?
Season, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, well, you have to be very, very careful.
It is well, though.
Amen. It's very your soul. You don't need to over season this part because you still have the season. Normally, I meant to use the boats for the other side, but so just a little bit of this, and of course your oil.
Okay.
And I think we'll be needing our paprika here because of the color, of course. And our suya spice. There's
this feeling that comes with that suya spice, right?
Of course, you can never have enough of suya spice. You can. It's essential. Very, very, very essential. So your suya spice, of course. Yeah. Like I said, you're dipping where you cut. You don't want a half seasoned chicken.
So which one do you prefer, chicken or turkey?
This economy, I don't think anybody has a choice. Just give me any one of the plates. So my favorite is obviously chicken. Yeah. Barbecue chicken, I can eat that all day.
Okay.
Yeah.
I prefer turkey though.
Of course you do. You look like you prefer turkey. So yeah, that's how it looks. I'm not done. I'm coming. So like I said earlier, we're making what? Barbecued chicken. So yeah, we need to barbecue our chicken. The barbecue sauce, just like that. And our ketchup, of course, like that. And the most essential of them all, our onion, like that. To what? We repeat the same process of dipping and caressing, you get me? Chicken, just like that.
It's really nice.
Is it?
Yes.
Of course, it's going to look nice. So yeah, can you see? Yeah. Okay. Now only. So you repeat the same process. So yeah, we need our oil. Let's first. Need to be generous with your oil. Then gently place your chicken and you finish them up with parsley. That's the goat of herbs. Forgot to add to the other side. So we're dipping it in our preheated oven. When come back to it, of course. So yeah. So for this recipe, guys, we're frying our pepper mix. Yes, you heard that right. We're frying them. So you take them once after the other. Our red bell pepper, our sachet, and of course our ginger. So yeah, you're frying them like that. You need to cut them in very, very little pieces like this. Like that. So you don't want to overload your oil. So like that. So we're making our barbecue sauce. Now, this is our barbecue sauce. Like that first. Then of course our ketchup goes in next. And our onion. Always need your onion, please, guys. Don't forget, very, very important. Gives it a very, very unique taste. And for that pepper, you know, need our sweet chili. So you stir everything together and let it, you know, stir fry. So guys, this is our barbecue mix consisting of our barbecue sauce, our onion, and our ketchup. So when you generously mix, you know, and mix with it. So guys, our frying it looks like this, a little bit burnt. I'm looking for this kind of consistency on it, can you see? So you have to sieve the oil very, very well. This is a proper party jollof, guys. You can't go wrong with this recipe. So you repeat the same process. Yeah, starting our party jollof. So guys, we're adding after we stir fry our onions, we're adding our party jollof tomato paste. I almost forgot the name. Sorry, tomato paste here, of course. Party jollof tomato paste. So you have stir frying it till it gets very, very red, you know, that consistency, just like that. You just leave like 5 minutes and 5 minutes. Our salt, chicken seasoning, our curry powder, our thyme. This is my magic jollof rice seasoning. It's burning chicken, very, very. Make sure jollof rice tastes so amazing. This is one unique taste, so I recommend. Yeah. So you can add your chicken or turkey broth here, so gives it another better taste. So this is our mix before we put our rice, our properly washed rice. So our bay leaves. What is party jollof without your bay leaves? So you stir. Adding our properly washed rice now. Stir properly before adding your water. Make sure you stir it properly before adding your water. Adding water gently, just lightly above the rice. Yes. So maybe just in it steam, just a little bit of steam. So you're putting it in your very, very lowest heat. You can just switch off this stuff. Okay. Our coleslaw, we're using just carrots and cabbage. So let's go. So you need to shred your bit. So I like to add a little bit of sugar to my salad. Give it one unique, one sweet taste. Yeah. So what's coleslaw without sweet corn? So just add sweet corn. So of course our mayonnaise to our coleslaw. I want it to be as much as possible, so it's going to be very, very, very creamy. So this is our scrumptious, creamy coleslaw. See how it looks? Yeah. So stirring properly now.
The jollof rice is jollof.
Here you can see how ready she is. You can see that's our proper party jollof. Jollof. You get me? So we're finishing up with some corn, some sweet corn. I like adding this, so extra.
Makes sense as well. Then, oh, bad.
I love my window, yo.
It's very juicy. Also, very juicy.
So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube
So I
channel.
some channel.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.